When you need a premium-grade waterproof adhesive for demanding construction and repair projects, don't take chances. Rely on ProVantage heavy-duty construction adhesive from Titebond. Whether you're doing new construction, remodeling, or home repairs, this is the adhesive you need to hold it all together. You name it, moldings, countertops, masonry, plywood, OSB, or MDF, ProVantage Heavy Duty will stick it to concrete, wood, metal, ceramic, and even wet, frozen, or treated lumber. Plus, it bridges gaps between materials, providing a fast initial grab and superior strength, reducing the need for nails and other fasteners. To get the job done, you have to be flexible, and ProVantage Heavy Duty follows your lead. You can apply this waterproof, solvent-based adhesive in temperatures from 0 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit on wet or frozen substrates. And ProVantage Heavy Duty adhesive exceeds the toughest professional specification, as well as the most stringent VOC regulations. When you want performance without compromise, rely on ProVantage Heavy Duty Construction Adhesive.